Hello, this is Kayla's BTR and Haley Cheetah. We are at the recording thing right now. At the sound check. Sound check. She said sound check. That looks like the guy from Spider-Man up there.
I know, right?
I thought it was him. I thought it was Kendall.
I first I did too, but it's not Kendall.
It's the guy from Spider. But look, they have 5 seats. So Victoria's Justice coming out here, or that Carolina girl.
And see that guy? He's in the Brazil Uncut Love Me Again video on Peanut Productions.
I'm subscribed to him.
Same here.
Hello, bodyguard. Yeah, he's a bodyguard. He's strong.
She just said Logan's a dirty one.
Look. She said that girl next to Haley said Logan's a nerdy one. Jerky.
Kendall's the cute but smart one. And Logan's the nerd one. They're her dad.
She don't personally know.
I got on video.
Jerk.
She doesn't personally know.
James. She even said that.
I don't like her. She thinks Logan is nerdy. He is adorable in dimples. He has dimples.
Dimples are really cute.
I wonder if he already gave him to him. He doesn't have a car, so he must have.
Yeah.
Aww.
Either that or he put them in their dressing room.
This is getting
They're in the dressing room right now.
Yeah.
So Ronnie's gonna talk to you. So the guitar player, we gotta take a picture with him, and we gave him the cards, and they're gonna give them to Big Time Rush, and he's already gave it to him. We probably, and we're like super excited. We do not know when he's gonna come up here. When they're gonna come up here, they'll come up here any second, like any time. We really don't know.
Yeah, I wish we knew so that we can start at a certain time.
Like the horrible boys. We're alright, 24/7, all day, every day. All we gotta say is live your life, 24/7. Ooh, ooh, 24/7. Ooh, ooh, 24/7. We got no one to impress, and no matter how
Here we go to singing totally off of them.
and no one doesn't. They're together here as one. Down and comes, we'll do it all again, yeah. Try and knock us down, we'll get up every time. We can run this town, so let's do what we like, do what we like. All day, every day is a holiday, and we're alright, 24/7. All day, every day, all we gotta say is live your life, 24/7. Ooh, ooh, 24/7. Ooh. 24/7. Every day's a holiday. Ay, ay. We don't care what other people say. All day, every day's a holiday. I don't care what other people say. Hey ho, let's go. All day, every day is a holiday, and we're alright. 24/7. All day, every day. All we gotta say is live your life. They did it wrong. They forgot. Hey ho, let's go. 24/7. Ooh, ooh, 24/7.
Okay, so
Logan.
this is Haley Cheetah and Kayla's BTR, and I just started recording again during the song, so yeah.
Logan! Woo!
Yay!
I love Logan Henderson so much.
James is my favorite.
They'll probably come out soon. What? I know. Who cares? We can see them. We're front row.
What did she just say?
Carlos is single, but not really, okay? Carlos is not single. His girlfriend is here right now.
I know, right?
OMG.
Anyone scared us? So gross.
Bow. Our favorite song so loud, and when they're singing along, even if they hate that, turn up the radio. So what if you lose control? Get a little bit rock and roll. Oh, 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 oh. Well, they're doing it wrong.
You don't have a backup anymore.
Put your hands in the air. Come on, make those time. Don't let it matter if it's wrong, go right. Do the way you do it. Do it like nobody's around. We can do it like nobody's around. They're doing it wrong. They're going too fast. They're not doing it. They're going too fast.
Here.
They're going to ask you to put your phone away because they don't want any pictures taken.
Okay.